Good morning. Welcome you all to the engineering graphics video lecture. In previous class, we have discussed about introduction about engineering graphics. In this class, we are going to discuss about projections of points. Point is a dimensionless object. We will project the object in all the four quadrants. In engineering graphics, we will follow the first angle projection method only, except point. We will project the object point in all the four quadrants. To know about what are the merits and demerits of all the four quadrants projections. Okay, let us move to projections of points. First, we will discuss about point in first quadrant. Consider a point A. The first question, a point A 20 mm above HP and 30 mm in front of it. A point A 20 mm above HP and 30 mm in front of VP. Draw its projections. So consider the first quadrant 20 mm above and 30 mm in front. So above in front, the first quadrant, draw the first quadrant. Imagination, this part is imagination part. Draw the first quadrant. Imagine the first quadrant, horizontal plane, vertical plane. The point A 20 mm above and 30 mm in front. Okay, point A 20 mm above and 30 mm in front. This distance 20, this distance 30. 30 mm in front. The observer always places right side of the object. So the front view, top view. So the front view on vertical plane. A. Always the front view small letter with dash. Top view small letter. Now the projection is over. After the projection, rotate the horizontal plane clockwise 90 degree. Clockwise 90 degree. So the resultant diagram is this intersection line, XY axis line. The resultant diagram is, how to draw the resultant diagram? By using 2H pencil, draw the XY axis line first. Using 2H pencil, draw the XY axis line first. All the letters and numbers using HB pencil. Using HB pencil, write the letters. After that, 20 mm above, 30 in front. So 30 mm below, 20 mm above. Using scale, measure the distance 20 mm above and 30 in front. So 20 mm above, mark the front view as A dash, top view as A. So front view always represented by small letter with dash. Top view represented by small letter. Okay. Letters, numbers, these letters and numbers always by using HB pencil. Okay, HB pencil. And then draw the extension line. How to draw the extension line? Using 2H pencil, draw the extension line. Using 2H pencil, draw the extension line. And then arrowhead, the 1:3 ratio. Arrowhead 1:3 ratio. Already we have discussed about the dimension line, how to write dimension line. Okay. So 20 mm above, 30 in front. 20, 30. Okay. Any doubt? Now we will move to second quadrant, second angle projection method. Consider a point B. Consider a point B. A point B 25 mm above HP and 40 mm behind VP. Behind VP. Draw its projections. 25 mm above and 40 mm behind VP. So consider the second quadrant. Draw the second quadrant. horizontal plane, vertical plane. The point B 25 mm above, so 25 mm above and 40 mm behind. So 25 mm above, 40 mm behind point B. Now the observer always places right side of the object. So the front view on vertical plane, small letter with dash. Top view on horizontal plane, small letter. After the projection, rotate the horizontal plane clockwise 90 degree. After the projection, rotate the horizontal plane clockwise 90 degree. So the resultant diagram, how to draw the resultant diagram? XY axis line, by using XY 2H pencil, draw the XY axis line. By using 2H pencil, draw the XY axis line. And then our object 25 above and 40 behind. So by using scale, measure the distance 25 above, mark the front view, and 40 behind, draw the top view. So front view B dash, top view B. So this distance 25. This distance 25. Always the smaller dimension first. Next draw the write the larger dimension. 25. This one 40. The arrow at 1:3 ratio. The dimension line, draw the dimension line using 2H pencil only. Okay, 25 above and 40 behind. 25. This one 40. Right? Next we will move to third quadrant. A point C is a point C 30 mm behind VP. The point C 30 mm behind VP. And 35 mm below HP. Draw its projections. The point C is 30 mm behind VP and 35 mm below HP. So third quadrant. Behind and below means third quadrant. So imagine the third quadrant. Imagine the third quadrant. So object C 30 mm behind, 35 below. So 30 mm behind, 35 below. Object C. So observer always right side of the object, placed right side of the object. So front view on vertical plane C dash. Top view on horizontal plane C. After the projection, rotate the horizontal plane clockwise 90 degree. After the projection, rotate the horizontal plane clockwise 90 degree. So the resultant diagram, how to draw the resultant diagram? How to draw the resultant diagram? XY axis line, draw the XY axis line using 2H pencil. First draw the XY axis line using 2H pencil. And XY letter using HB pencil. 30 mm below, 30 mm behind. So 30 mm behind. So top view 30 mm behind, 35 below. So below 35 and 30 above. Below 35 and 30 above. Okay, 30 above. So behind 30 mm behind VP. So the top view 30 mm above. 30 mm above. Front view 35 below. So the dimensions, mark the dimensions. mm and 35. Okay. Next we will move to the fourth quadrant. A point, consider a point D is point D is 30 mm below HP. 30 mm below HP. 30 mm below HP and 20 mm in front of VP. 20 mm in front of VP. Draw its projections. 30 mm below and 20 mm in front. So imagine the fourth quadrant. Imagine the fourth quadrant. Imagine the fourth quadrant. "30 mm below and 20 mm in front of VP. So 30 mm below, 20 in front. Imagine the object. So it is horizontal plane, vertical plane, XY axis line. After the projection, rotate the horizontal plane clockwise 90 degree. So the front view, observer always right side of the object. So the front view on object D. So small letter with dash D dash. Top view on horizontal plane D. So after the projection, rotate the horizontal plane clockwise 90 degree. So the object is 20 mm in front. So the top view 20 mm below, the front view 30 mm below. So draw the XY axis line using 2H pencil. XY axis line using 2H pencil. The top view 20 mm below and front view 30 mm below. Top view 20 mm below and front view 30 mm below. So D dash D. So 20, this one 30. So 20 mm below, 30 mm below. The main important thing, after the projection, rotate the horizontal plane clockwise 90 degree. 20 mm, this one 30. So we have discussed about all the points in all the four quadrants. Okay. In next class, next video lecture, we will going to discuss about projections of straight lines. Thank you students.